Okay. Good morning, everyone. Well, I don't find any person till here. Okay. Hello, Ramani, Yashwant. Good afternoon. Okay, so Ramani, you are asking how to solve week 4 assignment part B. It is not understandable. Wait, I have to then open the week. 4 assignment. Yeah, so week 4, part B, as you're asking, Ramani Yashwant is asking you to open a new simulation in Aspen Plus version 12.1 with electrolytes with metric units template. Add the components H2SO4 and NaOH to the list and change the model for estimation of liquid pure component molar volume to VLVT and run the simulation. So I don't know why, what is not understandable here. So I hope I can reveal the assignment 4 now, because what is the last date of assignment 4? Can you please tell me? I forgot. Okay. So you are saying that you don't remember, but due date is already gone. Okay. If the due date is already gone, then probably I can show you. And for that, I have to share my screen. So let me share my screen. Okay, I hope you can see this. So this is my screen. Okay. And what is the question? Question is, open a new simulation in Aspen Plus 12.1 with electrolytes with metric units. Okay, so you have to open a new simulation with metric units and electrolytes. Electrolytes with metric units. So using this particular template, electrolytes with metric units, you have to open. Okay, so you close the simulation and open a new simulation. And this new simulation will have electrolyte template. So it will have the new simulation in Aspen Plus with electrolytes with metric units template. Now, opening a new template means some of the things are already there. I mean, your H2O has been selected already in conventional form. And then obviously, if it is electrolyte template, your property method has already been chosen, which is electrolyte inertial, elect inertial, which is electrolyte inertial model with Redlich-Kwong equation of state. So by default, this electrolyte inertial model will be chosen with this template. Okay. Then what next? Add components H2SO4 and NaOH to the list. So components H2SO4 and NaOH in the list. So these two you add. Okay. Then what is there? Change the model of estimation of liquid pure component molar volume to VLVT and run the simulation. So you have to find out the model for liquid pure component molar volume. Okay, so this is what you have to find out. So you have this particular property method. Okay, and here you just, if you modify, okay, what is that? Again, I have to check it. Sorry. Liquid pure component molar volume, right? So these are the parameters you have. Pure component. So you have to look for the pure component molar volume. It is not here. So molar volume, you will have, which one is the molar volume? This is fugacity, this is vapor mixture, gives free energy, molar entropy. Yes. So this is molar volume, VV. And this is liquid mixture molar volume. So what is the exact thing? liquid pure component molar volume. So I believe liquid pure component molar volume. It is liquid mixture molar volume. You have to look for pure component molar volume. So uh, you have to this is molar enthalpy. Yes, this is the one that we are looking for. Liquid pure component molar volume. Okay, VL. So VL is the stuff that we are looking for. Now again, you see, so the model for the estimation of this has to be changed to VLVT. Right now, for VL, we have the model name this. Now you have to change it to VLVT. So look for VLVT. This is the one. So this is the liquid pure component molar volume calculated using VTPR EOS model. And the full name is Volume Translated Peng-Robinson using Modified UNIVAC Model. Okay, so that's exactly what you have. So you have to change it to this. Okay, so your liquid pure component molar volume, the model is changed to VLVT. Once you do it, then you can run the simulation. Okay. So basically, you are not using the default models. Rather, you are using the model which has been suggested in the particular question. And now you have to answer the following questions. Which property method was not affected? Okay, so if you change it, okay, then which property was not affected? Liquid pure component molar enthalpy, is it affected? Let us see. When you change it, okay, I have done a mistake. Actually, you have to change it over here. Okay, so it has asked you to change the model, not root ID. So keep the root ID as it was. I think it was BL01 only. Okay, I forgot. Let us check for a new unit. It is metric unit with electrolyte metric unit. Scope and selected. Close it. Do not save. Okay, add H2SO4 and NaOH. Okay, and then do not run it. You have to change the model. So it is in NaOH. Okay, and then go to selected method. Go to model. Go to VL, that is liquid pure component molar volume, and here change the model name to VLVT. Oh, so yes, there is a mistake. I should have asked you to write the root rather than model. So if this is the reason why you are not able to, uh, you know, if you are not able to change it or answer this question, then you please claim. I will give you marks. Okay. So actually, there is no model named VLBT. Uh, there is no model named VLBT. Yeah. Only root ID. You have VLBT. Okay. So you have to change the root ID, and then you can run it. And once you run, then you can check which are the things that has been changed. Which among the following is already present? Okay, not this one. What is the default model for vapor pure component? Vapor pure component molar enthalpy. Okay, vapor pure component molar enthalpy. So vapor pure component molar enthalpy is HV. So root ID is HV02. So it is HV02. Again, by default model I have written. Actually, you have to look for root ID, not model. Okay. So for model, it used to be so for that we do not have HV02. We have HV02. So here you do not have the model, you have the root ID. So my question was wrong. Actually, I should have written default root ID for vapor pure component molar enthalpy. So my question is wrong. So if you claim, I will give you marks. Okay. So this is the reason why you could not answer these questions, I believe. And which property was not affected? Liquid pure component, molar enthalpy, molar entropy, molar Gibbs free energy, or molar component thermal conductivity. So which was not affected? Now, if you change it to VLVT, then you can just view, sorry. Okay, so here you will find the affected properties, okay, after you do it. So what are the affected properties? You have liquid fugacity coefficient of component mixture, liquid pure component fugacity coefficient, liquid pure component molar enthalpy, liquid pure component molar gives free energy, and liquid pure component molar enthalpy. So if you compare with your question, which are here, liquid pure component molar enthalpy gives free energy. So this is liquid pure component molar enthalpy, molar entropy, and gives free energy. So first three things, these are affected. Okay, these are the things, they are affected. But liquid pure component thermal conductivity is not affected. So that is how you answer this question. So basically, only problem with this question is about the model, okay, not root ID. So anyway, I admit that there is something wrong in this answer. So or question rather. So if you claim, I will give you marks for it. Okay. So I think if you change it to root ID, in short, you understand exactly what I meant by doing this. Okay. So this is what we have. Okay. So okay. So let me go back to the questions. Okay. So Ramani, I hope I have answered your question. Then Ifra Farheen asks me to save Excel file used in Aspen simulation, which is best file to format, APJ, INT, etc. What do you mean by that? I do not understand. In order to save it in an Excel file, I generally just copy and paste. So that is the best way of doing it, in my opinion. Then Ramani is okay. You are giving me the due date. Okay, due date is 12/22. Yeah, it's long back. Okay, Aditya Allah, good afternoon. Sir, I am doing fourth year project of divided wall column, distillation column. I think I have answered your question, Aditya. I have emailed you. This is not possible easily in Aspen Plus until unless you write customized code. Okay, so Aditya, you just go through my email, you will get your answer. Cricket lover, okay, how do we prepare for exam? Yeah, it's a very common question. I have replied to this in the last session as well. All the questions will be part A type. As you can understand in the assignments, you have part A and part B. Part A questions, you do not need Aspen Plus software, but part B, you need Aspen Plus software to understand, answer these questions. Now, in exam, you will get part A type questions where you have to answer without the help of Aspen Plus. Okay. So Kirti says hi. Hi, Kirti. Hi, FE44 Randi frame. It's a long name. Kirti, nice explanation, sir. Okay, thank you, Kirti. Please don't talk nonsense in the comments. Sorry, Kirti, I didn't say anything nonsense. I don't know why you are saying that. Watch the video. Okay, sorry, you are asking it to some other person. So, thank you, Kirti. This is helpful. Thank you, Kirti. Good afternoon, window of the future. Ramani Yashwant, sir, also in week 6, part B is not clear as it is not taught till date. Is it so? What is part B? Again, I have to open the question. Assignment 6. Two streams of water are poured in a tank. Choose the best method. Outlet streams, pump driver. Change the default convergence method SQP to complex. Well, Ramani Yashwant, I don't know what you mean by that, but obviously the question is a bit, elaborate. But these are the things I have taught. I believe I have taught you pump. I have taught you driver efficiency. I have taught you how the temperature profile looks like, flash options. And I have also taught you how to do the optimization. Okay, so these are the things that have already been done. So I do not know why you are saying that these are not yet taught. I think these have already been taught by the uh, by the 6th week. Okay, because everything has been taught. If I remember it correctly, just let me see the syllabus once again for you. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Yes, in week 6, I teach you model analysis tools. Okay. In model analysis tools, I have taught you how to use those. If you remember model analysis tool, Here you see, this is the model analysis tool, right? And this is the Aspen Plus lecture. So this is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6. So the 20th lecture, lecture number 20, we have the model analysis tools. So there in model analysis tools, you have optimization. And that particular optimization only I have asked over here. Okay, so I think you have not gone through the video lectures properly. Otherwise, you would have known that everything has been taught. Okay. Okay, so these are few questions from the YouTube. Okay. Now I have few questions from others who have interacted with me through the response sheet. Allah Aditya, sir, can you explain divided column? Okay. Allah Aditya, I have answered your question. Gantla Sai Teja. He's asking again divided wall column. I think you guys are, friends in the same from the same college. And I'm sorry I cannot help you because divided wall column is not done so easily in Aspen Plus. Ragul. Meet Ragul Sharma asking me various activity coefficient models and their application to particular type of system. So your answer is a bit, your question is a bit confusing because I don't know what exactly you wanted. So Ragul, this is your question. Various activity coefficient models and their applications to particular type of system. I mean, I don't know what is your question. Rohan Shadashiv, you don't have any question. Nothing. Okay, fine. Andhale Vivek Baba Sahib, I think. How can I learn simulation? How can you learn simulation? By going through my videos, video lectures, I believe. And then Khandare Monica Kalyan, you don't have any specific question. Lar Manisha Sukhdev, want to learn about Aspen Plus? Go through my lectures. Chote Shakshi Ganesh, nothing. Sayyid Sania Baba, Kaikwar Krishna Ashok, Randhive Prem Prashanya. What are the opportunities? How to grab opportunities? Opportunities of what, my friend? Opportunities to learn Aspen Plus, okay? Just learn my video lectures. Momin Muhammad Saud, how to improve ourselves? Please ask yourself. Sheikh Alfia Zalal, Gavane Rupali Baba Sahib, Todmal Shakshi Gorakshnath, Mungashe Nilesh Kaka Sahib, Bedar Vishakha Nitin Shinde Sheetal Rajendra, Anjali Berar, Alim Tamboli, Vidyasagar Dhage, Mahesh Ashok Dudhade, Tejas Walunkar, Mohinideep Gund. What about this course? Sheikh Shakil Hamid. Sorry, I mean this Aspen response sheet is full of no, nothing, and this thing I don't know what people were talking about. Okay, so I think okay. Vivek Andhale, I don't get perfectly, but I will try. Okay, thank you, Vivek. Um, I do not expect you to learn everything by going through these 30 lectures. But definitely, if you practice more, you will learn better. One step towards success. Sir, we have some queries in assignment. Okay, why don't you ask? Okay, in between, Ramani asked me some question. Yes, sir, right. But for pipe specification like pipe diameter and elevation, answer all that is given so confused, but I will try. I don't know what is confusing, Yashwant. Pipe diameter is, yeah, material carbon steel, schedule number 40, nominal diameter 6 inch. Is it confusing to you? I think this is taught in your mechanical operation course. Yeah, mechanical operation or solid fluid operation course in your BTech. Don't you remember that? I believe. I was having this book with me, otherwise I would have shown you where exactly those things are there in your textbook. My copy has been taken by my student, I believe. Otherwise, I would have shown you. Okay, because everything that has been asked in the assignment, they are from chemical engineering textbook only. So uh, even if it is not taught in the class or not taught in the video lecture, okay, you can definitely go through your textbook of chemical engineering, relevant textbook rather, and then you can answer this question using Aspen Plus. Okay. Any more question? One step towards success is asking, sir, my question is why Aspen is restricted or very costly and not free as a DWC? What is the causes behind that? Because the software that has been developed by Aspen Engineering Suite, the Aspen Inc., they have invested so much money to develop the software, so they will not give you free, right? And believe me, as an academician, we get it much cheaper price. And the cost of the software is nearly 1/20th the price that is uh, taken from industrial customers. Okay, so we suppose we pay 2.5 lakhs for a 1-year license. The same software will be available in 50 lakhs. Okay, from the industry. So actually, the softwares are very good and very useful. And while you are student, the companies will give you these softwares with less. They will charge you less. Okay, because they want you to learn this software. And when you will go to your uh, anywhere where this particular software is used, suppose you go to Reliance or you go to some other company where they use this software, then, or they may not use this software, but as you have learned it, you will always push your companies to purchase it, and finally, probably they will purchase. So the companies also want you to learn their software so that once you go to the industry, they can sell it to you at higher price. So this is the best time that you learn all those commercial softwares. DWSIM is also very good, but then they will not have all the features that Aspen Plus has. Okay. Uh, that's the answer I can give you. One step towards success. Any other question? Sir, I think according to me with CLG, what is CLG? For proper practice, we have to repeat your course every time. So this course, how much time repeated by NPTEL? For proper practice, we have to. Okay, if I have understood your question, you wanted to ask me, or it is your opinion that you have to repeat quite a few times this course so that you can understand this concept very clearly. Now the thing is that to answer your first question, these videos are available always. Okay, so you can go through the video whenever you like because they are all available on YouTube. Okay, so going through the video, you do not have to. You do not have to wait for any course. You can anytime go through those videos. because they are freely available in YouTube. But to access Aspen Plus software, definitely you have to enroll. And fortunately, till date, for last 2 years, we are offering this course every semester, January semester as well as July semester. So twice a year, this course will be active for 12 weeks each, every semester, 12 weeks each. So you can enroll, and once you enroll, you can get the access to the software and you can use. Having said that, you should not use this software for any other purpose other than learning. I mean, you cannot say that you will use this software for your, say, doing your college assignment. Okay, because this software has been licensed to us for running this course only. Okay, you should not use this software for your own college degree program or anything else other than learning this software. Okay? Otherwise, you get the chance to use this software and learn it better every semester. I do not know whether this will continue forever, but at least for last 2 years, this is the fourth time we are offering it. Okay. And I have a plan to build an advanced version of this Aspen Plus course, where I will cover the portion which I have not touched upon in the basic course. So it will be an advanced course on Aspen Plus. But for that, I have to get approval from MOOCs authority, which I have not yet received. Once I receive that approval, I'll work on it and I can float another course on Aspen Plus, that is Aspen Plus Advanced. Okay. College, sir. One step towards success, college, sir. Yes, it is only for college only. Any more question? Okay, so if you do not have any more question, already it is 3:58, 2 more minutes left. If you have any more question, you can ask. Yeah, one step towards success. Your last question is, what book we have to prefer for Aspen? Unfortunately, Aspen Plus does not have any book. It is a commercial software, so you don't have any textbook. The best way of learning this software is practicing. So you have to practice a lot. So whenever the course is running, try to enroll for this course and then get access to this software and learn as much as possible. Okay. You can take your textbook problems. For instance, you can take the problem from Treble. You may take the problem from Fogler or any other textbook that you use and refer in your chemical engineering studies, and try to solve those problems using Aspen Plus. Okay. More challenging problems you solve using this software, better you learn it. Okay. So that's how you learn it. Okay. So it's already 4 o'clock. I think we can wind up. Okay, so we don't have any questions.